In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Paperform into WordPress. This process is straightforward, and hopefully, by the end of this guide, you'll feel comfortable integrating your form seamlessly into any WordPress page or post. Let's begin by getting the embed code from Paperform. First, what you need to do is log into your Paperform account and open the form that you'd like to embed on your WordPress site. Once you have your form open, navigate to the Share tab. Under the Share section, you'll see an option for Embed. Click on this and you'll be presented with various embedding methods. You have a few choices here. You can choose to embed the form inline, in full screen, or even as a pop-up. Each method serves different needs depending on how you plan to integrate it into your site. When making your choice, consider where on your page or post the form will appear and how you want users to interact with it. Once you've decided on the method that suits you best, go ahead and copy the provided HTML or JavaScript code. Next, let's move on to embedding this code in your WordPress site. Navigate to the WordPress editor for the page or post where you'd like your form to appear. If you are using the block editor, commonly referred to as Gutenberg, you'll want to add a new block. For our purposes, the block you need is called custom HTML. Once you've located that block, click to add it to your page. Inside this block, you'll see an area to paste your code. Go ahead and paste the HTML or JavaScript code you copied earlier from Paperform into this block. If you're still using the classic editor, you can switch to the text editor tab and paste the code there. Now, before you publish your changes, it's always a good idea to preview how the form will appear on your site. With the block editor, this is simple. Switch to the Preview tab within the HTML block to see how your form will look once it's rendered on the page. This step is crucial because it confirms that everything is displaying correctly and allows you to make any necessary adjustments. Once you're satisfied with how the form looks in the preview, you're ready to publish. Either hit the Publish button if this is a new page or post, or update an existing one. Your Paperform is now embedded and live on your WordPress site. And there you have it, a simple way to bring interactive forms to your WordPress website using Paperform. This integration not only enhances user engagement, but also provides a seamless way to collect information from your visitors. Thanks for watching, and happy embedding!